This project is my tabletop tree makeover. Christmas is right around the corner, and I wanted to add some cozy decorations to our home. I got inspired by these photos and wanted to try making one myself. I found these 3 trees at a thrift store for about $3 total. I love doing crafts, and here's why. Unlike traditional meditation, crafting lets you express yourself and see the results. Finishing a project gives you a sense of accomplishment and a calm, satisfying feeling. Luckily, once I put in new batteries, the lights on 2 of them worked perfectly. My first color choices were white, silver, and ivory. For the first tree, I wrapped it in ivory yarn. It was my very first try, so I just followed my instincts and wrapped as I went. It actually turned out better than I expected. Since I used to crochet a lot, I already had plenty of yarn at home. The lights come through beautifully. I finished this one and kept thinking about the colors. That night, with the lights on in our living room, I suddenly felt that warm brown tones would fit the space so much better. Overnight, I changed my mind and decided to switch to warm brown tones, kind of like the West Elm photo from earlier. For the second tree, the yarn was thinner and had a different texture. I tried my best to wrap it as neatly as possible. Have you ever noticed how doing crafts can feel kind of meditative? Activities like knitting, woodworking, or painting don't just let you be creative, they can actually help calm your mind. When I finished, the glue looked a bit messy. I had a moment of, do I need to redo this? At first, I worried I had messed it up, but adding a second layer surprisingly fixed everything perfectly, and I felt so relieved and proud. When I'm crafting, problems always come up, but solving them is the best part. It teaches patience, sparks creativity, and gives me a real sense of accomplishment. The lights don't shine through as much, but I love the color and the shape. The third tree was much taller than the others, so I tried carving it down, and it worked surprisingly well. I've always wanted to try wood carving, so I had my tools ready, and this really came in handy. My kids thought it was so cool when they saw the carving part in my video. It made me realize how just a little bit of work can bring old decorations back to life. I'm adding LED lights to this one too. I already had a small light pack at home, so I carved out the bottom to fit the battery compartment. Crafting reduces stress. Repetitive, rhythmic motions, like stitching or painting strokes, can help your body relax and boost your mood. Starting with a small knot at the top made the finish really clean, and I wrapped downward from there. After making the first 2, I had learned a lot about how to keep everything neat. I also used the glue gun a lot more carefully this time. After practicing twice, I got it really neat on the first try this time. It saves money, gives old stuff a second life, and helps the planet too. Less trash, less waste, and way cooler than letting it all sit in a landfill. Soft yarn actually absorbs light differently, so the glow looks warmer and cozier compared to plastic or paper trees. And the best part is, with yarn crafts, little imperfections just disappear once the lights turn on. Cozy always beats perfect. Now I'm going to add the lights. And here it is with the books, the frame, the little decorations, and the 3 cute trees, all lit up. I love how it turned out. The lights make it even prettier. You should definitely try making one yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next project. Merry Christmas!